Changing the prices on TikTok shops is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. TikTok shop functionalities, including the ability to set or change prices, were primarily managed through the TikTok app. Keep in mind that TikTok's features may have evolved, so it's essential to check for the latest updates and changes. If TikTok has introduced the ability to set or change prices on the TikTok shop since my last update, you might follow these general steps. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Access your TikTok shop. This may be a separate section with the app dedicated to your shop, or a feature integrated into your profile. Look for an option related to managing your products. This section should allow you to view and edit the details of the items you have listed. Within the product management section, find the specific product for which you want to change the price. There should be an option to edit the product details. Once you are in the editing mode for the product, look for the pricing information. You should be able to change the price or update any other relevant details. After making the necessary adjustments, save the changes. There may be a save or update button that you need to click to apply the modifications.